Low-calorie chicken recipes. Chicken and mushrooms. A star rating of 4.5 out of 5 through 29 ratings. A healthy and low-calorie chicken and mushroom casserole with bacon, peas, and a parsley sauce. Use chicken thighs for extra flavor and juiciness. Chicken and tzatziki wraps. Spring onion and ginger crispy chicken rice pot. You can also use your favorite hot sauce if you like. Chicken korma, chicken balti, a lighter version of the Indian takeaway classic, chicken balti. This tomato-based curry is packed with extra spinach and peppers. Ginger chicken udon noodles. A star rating of 4.6 out of 522 ratings. Chicken and chorizo one pan. Chicken and sweet corn soup. The bone broth adds important minerals and it's low in fat and calories. Chicken and lemon skewers. One pot harissa chicken. Lighter chicken cacciatore. Masala chicken pie. BBQ chicken pizza. Chicken arrabbiata. Grilled peach, chicken and feta salad. Creamy chicken and a mango curry. Curried chicken and new potato tray bake.